My name's Elise, and today we're going to be drawing a pumpkin spice latte. Let's get started. First, let's draw the mug. This mug is going to look kind of like a pumpkin. So let's draw a big, almost full circle, but let's not connect it in. Now, let's draw a curved line that goes around and connects in and then has a little curve at the end, just like that. Now, let's draw a parallel line, just like this, connecting up. Now, let's draw some lines to make it look just like a pumpkin. Perfect. Okay, now let's draw the eyes and the mouth. So let's draw one big circle, and then let's add a smaller circle inside, and then let's add an even smaller circle in the other corner, and then let's color this section in with our Sharpie. You don't have to use a Sharpie, but you can if you want to. Let's also add 2 eyelashes, and let's add another eye on this side, just a half circle to be a closed eye, and then let's add 2 eyelashes. Now, to draw the smile, draw a curved line right in the middle of the mouth, or right in the middle of the 2 eyes, and then let's go all the way down and make another curved line just like this. Let's draw a half circle and then a line down, and then we can color this part in. You can also use a black marker if you don't have a Sharpie. Okay, now let's draw the handle. Draw a curved line just like this, kind of like a half circle, but more square because the edges are just curved, but they're not completely rounded. Now let's draw a parallel one, a little bit bigger, just like this, around it. Now let's draw the whipped cream. So let's draw a wavy line, just like that, coming out and going up and then curving in. And let's make another one, going in a little more. We can do the same to this side. We can make one more and one more on this side. And now let's draw a curved line, just like that, but then instead of stopping, we can go up and a curve like that, and then go back down and connect back in, just like that. Now we can add some dots for the spices, just like that. Now let's also add 2 cinnamon sticks. So let's draw a line out, and then a curved line, and then a line back down. And let's draw a second one, so curved up, and then straight back down. And then we're going to draw a swirly line, just like that. So we're going to go down, and then swirl, just like that. And then let's draw a straight line down through each of them, just like that. Now, let's draw an acorn over here for some extra fall themed decor. So let's draw a curved triangle, and then let's draw a straight line, and then a half circle on top, just like that, and then a line out with a little dot on the end, just like that. Now you can add some lines throughout the top, just like this, and that's one acorn. We can also draw a small pumpkin, so let's draw an oval here, and then let's draw an oval coming out of that side, and an oval coming out of this side, and then one more oval coming out of each side, and then we can draw a little stem and then a little vine coming off. we can lastly draw the table. So imagine this going through each of our pieces. And now it's time to color. For coloring, I'm going to be using my Sioux Color art markers. So this is number 15 and it's pink. I'm not going to be saying every color because there's going to be a lot of colors in this drawing, but you can get these Sioux Color art markers in the links down below to Amazon, and then you can color along with me and try to find the exact same colors. So let's get started. So now we're done with our drawing of our pumpkin spice latte. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed creating more. See you next time. Bye!